What's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel, and I am getting ready to go on a date. And I decided to do like a little vlog and to show you guys the new wig that I have on top of me giving you a freaking little tutorial on how to style it and my thoughts on the wig. So the wig is already installed. I didn't have time to show you guys me installing it, but I do have time to show you guys me styling it for my date tonight. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm going to show you guys how my outfit looks in the beginning. Just like the little pieces that I have out already. So yeah, I bought this for my breasts. And I really hope it works. I'm going to use that. These are the shoes. Oh my gosh. And yeah, I found these at a store. I forgot the name of the store. But I was driving around. I was, doing my little 1-2s. And I seen this store. They said they was going out of business. And they had shoes on sale. And when I went in there, these shoes were literally $7. They was originally $50. But I got them for $7. I'm wearing these. Bought this bag from the thrift store a while ago. And I was looking for another bag. I actually went to Marshall's, Mad Rag, and Rainbow. And I couldn't find anything. I wanted like a standout purse. But I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just go with this bag that I have in my house. And it actually does go well with it. And it's complementing the suede and the silk. So, yeah. These rings I got from the mall. They were 80% off. And look at them. Bomb. Okay. This is the dress. It's like a silk material. I got this from Amazon. And it has like this little drawstring where you can make it look scrunch. And it's going to look bomb over the thigh-high boots. So, yeah. my channel, and we're gonna get into the thoughts on this wig. Hold on, let me adjust this camera. And yes, get the setting going. So my first take on this wig, it was really, really nice in the beginning, but by the second day, it was shedding and it was just like flyaways everywhere. I showed you guys that I started to tame it with gel, and it really worked out really, really well. I'm just fresh back from my date. That fresh back from my date, and honestly the gel really worked. As you can tell, everything is still intact and it looks super neat. So maybe it just need like a little help to like stay in place, bitch. Because why was you doing that wig? Like so this is the updo that I did, but the back was down. I could literally drop it down right now. This is how I had to this is how I had the back. I had it down. I'm dropping everything. You know, I got all my makeup still out. But this is how I looked on the dinner date. And yeah, I really love this look. And this is for all the girls who may not have it to go to prom with a human wig. You might not have support. When I went to prom, I didn't have support like that. I literally did everything on my own. My parents weren't in my life. I ended up getting a lot of help from outsiders, and yeah, they helped me out a lot. So back then, I wish I would have known how to really fully do wigs and things like that. Wigs was around. I'd have been able to slay my own freaking hair instead of having to worry about who's gonna pay for this, who's gonna pay for that. But yeah, I did have one cousin that helped me. Shout out to her. And I had many, many mentors, so I'm very grateful for that. But this is given very much prom. I'm saying, like, if I come to prom looking like this, you guys ain't gonna be able to tell. Like, you're not gonna be able to tell. Like, so don't feel bad if you can't get a human wig. Get you a human blend wig and still slay and come shut the whole down, okay? Because yes, it's possible. I look like I'm going to prom. This was an elegant dinner at an elegant little spot. And yeah, I'm gonna insert some videos, some pictures or whatever within this video somewhere. And yeah, it's giving a vibe. It's giving a vibe. Besides the whole flyaway thing, other than that, I really like it. If you guys want me to do a tutorial showing you how to install this wig, because this is the first wig that I did use my Ghost Bond glue. And it is laying. And yeah, I just wanted my wig to last a little longer. So let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial on this wig. I will get a different color because I want to test this wig out before I really do an install, because I didn't really have excuse me, I really didn't have like nothing to go on except for what other people were saying. So I wanted to get a perspective on my end. I really like the wig, besides the shedding and the little flyaways. Once I added the gel and the little mousse and the little curl activating stick, you know, once I did all that, it's looking like something. So thanks for coming to my channel, you guys. Let me know if you like this wig or not. Like, it's giving prom, it's giving a dinner date, it's giving birthday hair, it's giving $30, and I still look like a baddie. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, it's up in this stuff. Don't forget, I have another wig tutorial that I need to really edit and drop and give it to you guys. It's just that it's not perfect. I hate when my videos are not perfect, but you know, I'm just gonna drop it because I've been holding it in my archive and I really want to release it. So thanks for coming through. I love you guys. Peace out. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. And yeah, it's up and it's up. Lay and see.